Transporting and storing bikes is a headache for motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. Fortunately, solutions like these make these tasks much easier, and become a lifesaver. Not only for bikers but also for salespeople, logisticians, and showroom staff. On the screens, you can see a motor that can move easily. It could move motorcycles up to 1,323 pounds, and the stand fit the bike perfectly, so it doesn't need to lock in place. Don't forget to tell me your opinion in the comments. It is no secret that an increase in the percentage of water in the brake fluid negatively affects the operation of many internal systems of the car. To avoid breakdowns, it is necessary to change the fluid on time. And this portable tester can indicate when it's time to change the fluid. The device determines in seconds how much water is in the brake fluid and notifies you with LED indicator lights. This tool works with the idea of a portable winch, powered by a cordless drill. Even the entry-level cables can lift up to 600 kilograms, and rotate the load 360 degrees. The winch includes a 12-meter cable, but it is possible to use the longer one, up to 50 meters. The winch operates at a speed of 3.7 meters per minute under maximum load, and it features a patented self-locking brake, for safe operation. With a modest weight of about 4 kilograms without cables. The manufacturer recommends this winch for both fitters and construction workers. Look at this ramp, it'll be ideal for garages without pits, or in situations where you have to make repairs outdoors. The materials are very ordinary, standard profile pipes, as well as metal angles of different sizes. The master welded them all together, creating a stable, reliable, but at the same time, lightweight structure. The ramp itself weighs 13 pounds, and the platform weighs 14 pounds. When the car stands on the ramp, its undercarriage is 25.5 inches above the ground. Tools are the backbone of any workplace, so a lot depends on their proper organization. Special organizers are able to turn any chaos into order. They are made of durable rubber, which is not affected by oil, antifreeze, or other aggressive fluids. The material also has an anti-slip coating, and it's flexible enough to maintain stability on any surfaces. The manufacturer offers 3 models in different sizes. With any of them, the old tools and any details will always be a hand. This tool will be a great value to professionals who repair and maintain trucks and heavy equipment, such as trucks and harvesters. Greatly simplifies wheel removal and bouncing, allowing you to adjust the torque between 450 and 650 Newton meters. The solution is not only practical but also safe, as you no longer have to struggle with long levers, pushing them with your whole body and risking injury. There's also a spark-free model that has a copper impact head. It's also much more comfortable, easier in different spaces, and allows even one person to do an impressive amount of work. Properly performed wheel alignments not only increase safety on the road, but also reduce wear and tear on your tires. On your screen is a 3D wheel alignment stand that makes the work of mechanics easier. The main feature is the machine vision system. Using high-resolution cameras, it creates a copy of the suspension on the computer, and then it compares its condition with the reference model. For greater accuracy, special targets are fixed on the wheels, in order to make it easier for the system to aim. A huge advantage of these systems is that they can be used right after installation, no calibration is needed. They can be used in repair shops with inspection pits and elevators. What do you do when you need to remove multiple fasteners at once? In this case, multi-spindle attachments with an adapter for a variety of cordless tools come in handy. A big advantage is the ability to find the ideal template for each specific operation, such as drilling and countersinking. The spindles are powered by a motor and rotate at the same speed, ensuring high work quality. Next is a safer and more practical solution for lifting cars, whether in a garage or outdoors. This model was developed in Germany, and can lift a car weighing up to 1,630 pounds, to a height of 3.3 feet. It doesn't require complex maintenance or long preparations, and the rubber inserts will prevent scratches. You can use the lift on your own. People store lots of things in their garages, so everyone should consider buying a new storage system. That not only maximizes space efficiency, but also helps save energy. The shelves are designed to move back and forth on cables that controlled by smartphone. They can support up to 159 kilograms, and work perfectly at a height of about 4 meters. The system is wireless, doesn't require a remote, and offers over 15 design options. Additionally, you can build a workbench or bike rack on top of the shelves, making it even more functional. Make your home smarter, simpler, and safer, freeing you to do more of what you love. With the help of these storage systems, they stand out for their smartphone control and compactness. There are different versions for a variety of tasks, such as 2 different systems for bicycles. There are also versatile models available, like the 4x4-foot cargo platform that hold up to 360 pounds. Plus, the systems are compatible with Bluetooth, allowing you to pair up to 4 lifters to work together. And a smart app will detect if the system is overloaded, and prevent it from hitting the ceiling. Here is the most efficient fan in the world. This fan is not limited to just the garage, it also works wonders in poorly ventilated areas like attics, basements, and other spaces, where the air conditioner may not reach. The best part is that its operation costs just a few cents per hour, so you don't need to worry about your bills. The fan's air circulation is so effective that it can completely refresh the air in a garage every 3 to 4 minutes. This version comes with a ventilation grill size of 41 by 41 centimeters. And includes a special valve to prevent the spread of fire in case of an emergency. In Germany alone, there were over 1 million traffic accidents in the first half of 2022. Imagine how many accidents happen at global scale. And the significant workload of car repairs. Fortunately, they have some helpful tools from Germany to rely on. These tools use an innovative honeycomb structure and carbon fiber inserts, making them lightweight. This design reduces fatigue, even when working with aluminum or steel. They're also repair don't replace. And they also offer training courses to enhance efficiency. The fact that they have partnerships with Audi and Porsche speaks for the quality and effectiveness of their tools.